Hi everybody, this is Trevor Powell on my AEP 800 Module 15 assignment, video playlist assignment. Um, my first video is going to be on this Coach's Eye app. It's a video analysis app, and I chose this app because it is one that I have found very helpful in my line of work as a PE teacher, strength and conditioning coach, and also football, basketball, track coach. It is great to video students doing really any activity with me that they do, whether that's in PE, in the weight room, in basketball practice, working on shooting form, in track practice, working on coming out of the blocks, working on timing with relays. You can just video things like that and break it down to where it is a lot easier for your athletes to see. Coach's Eye is the world's leading video platform for coaches and athletes, and it records your players and instantly shows them how to improve. Like I said, it can be used in various different ways. It doesn't have to be used for sports. You can use it for other things too. Some of the features, you can organize the videos with tagging and keywords and make different playlists. As you can see on the third picture there, videos, you can make different playlists. You can instantly review and edit the videos as you take them. You can draw on them, circle things, stuff like that. You can kind of see it in the pictures here, but it's very helpful when you're working with athletes, and it just adds another element rather than just telling them what they need to do to improve. You can show them what they need to do to improve, and then they can go from there. They can keep these videos. You can send them to them as they improve. They can watch themselves and their technique get better and better as they keep practicing. And so, yeah, that's my first video with the Coach's Eye app. Very useful app. These apps that I'm going to be talking about today probably won't be used in your everyday classroom, but I decided to choose things that I have used that have really helped me in my area of work, in the gym, in the weight room, and on the field. So, thanks for watching. There's a couple more to come.